Kimberly, nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you about style lace front wig. This is how it looks. It has all the way same length. And this is made of 100% human hair, which is Brazilian Remy hair. And the color is jet black number 1, which is darkest black. It comes 3 kinds color: the natural color, jet black, and off black. Simple, but it's very pretty. Okay, let's take a look at it in details. The lace is very thin and soft. And it has 4 inches wide, the lace part, so you can part any way you want. And look at the inside. At the front, there is a silk. This is not a lace. It's a way smoother than the lace. It's very soft. So it doesn't make any itch scalp. And silk base is coated on both ear tabs and all the way through forehead line. It's right here. And there are 2 combs at the front side and 1 comb at the nape side. An adjustable band right here. It has closed cap. It's very sturdy but elastic. Like this is very stretchable. I like this stitch pattern. It looks simple, but there are elaborate and delicate stitches. So why is it sturdy? So I recommend for a person to wear for the everywhere. And I recommend this for everyday wear. It's very simple, but you can make any style with this. You can make straight, using flat iron, or you can flip up style, or you can make flip in style, or you can pin it up. Just front, like this. It's so pretty. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.